Today we'll explore how AI tags in extracted tables help clarify, modify, and enhance table data. In our example, item numbers and positions share a column without spaces. This formatting is far from ideal. But it's no problem for our AI. We simply type in the field that we want to modify, then we type that we only want the first 5 digits of the item number. Then we press Enter to turn our tag into a command and click Apply. By clicking Save this rule will be applied automatically to all future documents from that supplier. When you click on Delete, all rules will be delete for this customer. To delete only one rule, remove it from the list, then click Apply and Save again. Check out our other examples and use cases to see how this feature can help you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.